Hello everyone, SigGamer Danny here, and welcome back to C++. And today we're going to learn about arrays. An array is a type of storage that is able to store elements depending on its data type. For instance, let's look at an integer array in our with a defined size of 5. And the way this works, arrays are stored in a very specific way depending on where the elements are placed. And I'll show you in the screen of what I mean. At the first position, it will be 0. Then the second position is 1. Third is 2. And then you can see the rest of the pattern. And while the last one is n minus 1, depending on its size. And let's also do int size. And what this is for is to make sure when the user doesn't, is to ensure that the user does not pass the limit of this array. So let's see. Cout, enter a size for the array. Cn size. Okay. Now we could put a for int I equals 0 while I is less than size I plus plus. Now cn our array at the position whatever I is at the moment. Okay, and this is how you enter values inside an array. Well, if you're trying to fill it up all at once. And then we could do another for loop. It's right there. No, let's not use I again, just so we don't run into confusion. Let's do int x equals 0 while x is less than the size x plus plus. Now we could see out whatever the array is holding. So at whatever position x is. And then, no, don't want that. And there we are. And before we do that, let's put is the array and 9. Okay, now let's see what we get. Enter size. Just for this, I'm gonna make it the max. So 5. Oh, I forgot to put out enter the values, but let's just see. 7, 2, 4, 1, 9. See, and it prints out exactly as I have it. Okay, now let's fix this one right here. Enter numbers. No, matter of fact, let's make this a little more easier. Enter whatever the size is. Numbers. Matter of fact, let's put it in line. There we are. Let's see that again. Enter size 5. Enter 5 numbers. And it prints it out in the way I had it. Okay. And now we could go with a bigger size of 10. And then I could show you how to sort it. Because if you don't sort it, it's just going to print out exactly in the position it was placed. And since I don't know a sorting algorithm by heart, I'll just show you. I'll print one out that I had off of the internet. This right here is called selection sort. This is the specific algorithm for a selection sort. There we are. And you'll see what it could do. See, and it sorts every single number in ascending order. Keep that in mind. See, everything's in order. If you're just trying to save lines, you could also do this. You could include the algorithm library. Instead of having all this, okay, let's just comment that out. You could just have this simple line right here. Sort the name of your array, comma, your name of your array again, plus whatever the size you had it at. And that should work. Let's start entering random numbers. And there we are. And it prints it correctly as well in ascending order. And there we have it. And that's how you use, that's the basics of using an array. Next time, I'll show you how to include more libraries and use them to your advantage. Well, this is the Gamer Denny, and I check you guys out later.